I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a clear workspace, move obstacles and protect floors with cardboard or pads. Next, kneel to inspect the undersides and the backs for visible clips, metal hooks, or screws. This tells you how pieces attach. Use gloves to protect hands and set tools within reach. You may need a screwdriver, rubber mallet, and a second person for heavy pieces. Once done, unlock any latches or release pins you find, so the first joint can be separated safely and without stress. You now focus on the middle steps. Have one person support each section to prevent tipping. Locate the connector type. Hooks often need an upward tilt, while clips can push or slide sideways. Explain to your helper which motion you will use so you move together. Disengage slowly. Use a rubber mallet on wooden frames for stubborn joints and employ straps or wedges to hold cushions out of the way. Make sure to keep fingers clear of pinch points and confirm each connector is fully released before moving pieces. Finish by lifting and moving each detached section straight out from the assembly. Keep weight close to your body and avoid twisting to protect your back. Once separated, collect any screws, brackets, or clips into a labeled bag so reassembly is fast and accurate later. If a connection refuses to release, stop and reassess. Sometimes applying a small amount of lubricant to metal hooks, reversing the previous disengagement motion, or tapping gently with a mallet frees it. Do not force, because that can damage the frame or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.